Hello students, welcome to class. I am teacher Kelly. How are you guys doing? I hope everyone is fine. So on today's lesson, we shall be discussing about part of speech. In English language, there are 8 parts of speech. They are like parts or components that when put together, they make up a sentence. So it's like a house, we have the floors, right? We have the roof, we have the windows, we have the doors, right? Same goes to sentences. A sentence is made up of different parts that we put together. So these parts are called part of speech, right? And in order for you to be able to understand and know how to use the English language properly, you must first understand how and where to place the different parts. So there are 8 parts of speech. We have nouns, pronouns, verbs, adverbs, adjectives, conjunctions, prepositions, and interjections. These are the parts that make up a sentence. So on today's lesson, we shall talk more about nouns. What is a noun? A noun is simply the name of something. It's very simple, A noun is simply the name of something. Now, that something could be a person. That something could be an animal. That something could be a place. Or that something could be an object. So, a noun is simply the name of a person, the name of an animal, the name of a place, and the name of an object or a thing. For example, the name of a person, John. John is the name of a person, so John is a noun. Fish is the name of an animal, so fish is a noun. We have Thailand. Thailand is a name of a country, of a place, so Thailand is a noun. And we also have table. A table is the name of an object, so table is a noun. So we can see that a noun is a name of a person, a name of an animal, a name of a place, and a name of a thing. For example, names of person, we have John, Lucy, Peter, Andrew, Paul. Names of animals, cat, dog, fish, lion, tiger. Names of places, Thailand, Bangkok, China, Japan, and Korea. And the names of objects or things, we have table, chair, cupboard, house, and the pencil. So let's go over our lesson one more time to make sure that you guys can understand it very clearly. So like I mentioned before, there are 8 different parts of speech, namely nouns, pronouns, verbs, adverbs, adjectives, conjunctions, prepositions, and interjections. So all these are what we use to make good sentences. So what are nouns? Nouns are simply the names of something. A noun can be defined as the name of a person, the name of an animal, the name of a place, and the name of a thing. So that is a noun. That will be all for today's. And like always, thank you very much and see you in next class. Goodbye.